Hey Saba, I think it's morphin time. What's up guys, it's morphin time. I'm Nico. Welcome back to the channel guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today. I'll be showing you how to make the Power Rangers Mighty Morphin Morpher. The belt clip where you can actually put your belt through it and you can go up and down. And then the power coins, we got the red Tyrannosaurus, the white tiger, and then the green dragon coin as you see here guys. I'm going to show you where to get the files, how to orientate and print them, and then how to sand, prime, paint, and all that stuff guys. Right here is the chapters where to find them guys. Click those or skip to a certain point in the video where you need to go to or where you want to go to guys. Without further ado, let me know what's your favorite Power Ranger down in the comments below. Let's get it. Okay, guys, so for the Morpher, if you go to Thingiverse, it's going to be completely for free. If you type in MMPR for Mighty Morphin Power Rangers and you put Morpher, guys, it's going to be one file, guys. As you see here, again, it is free. Come down here, it's going to show details. Pick file, put it in your slicer of choice, guys. Now let's get to the belt buckle and coins right now. Okay, guys, so now we're here for the belt buckle part. And so as you see, this is another free file right here on Thingiverse. But the thing is with this one is meant for a clip. So as you see, this is going to be a clip. This is going to be the clip and the coin. The ones you want to print is both of these right here. And now I'm going to show you how to connect them, how to sand them, how to move them, guys. So now let's get into some coins right now. Okay, guys, so right here we have the Mighty Morphin green power coin as you see, guys. I know it doesn't have like those little like lines that separate them or whatever. It'll show up on screen somewhere what I mean, but this is the one I like. This is one I'm gonna print. It's just again one file. We will have to shrink this one down because it is big, but let's get into the printing right now. Okay guys, now it's time for post-processing guys. I'm gonna sand the Morpher and the power coins first with an electric sander. As you see here, I'm gonna only use the electric sander for the Morpher right here. I'm gonna go 40, 80, 120, 180, 220 for the Morpher guys for the electric sander. And then just be careful with these details right here, just so you don't mess them up. Afterwards, I'll just take the sandpaper off, use it with my fingers, get the inner details. That's for the Morpher. For the coin, do the exact same thing, but just no electric sander, just the paper. I'm just gonna go in here doing the best I can with it. Put some primer on all of them. Then if it needs it, then get some Bondo right here, guys. But let's get into it. Real quick thing before we actually get to the priming, guys, is as you see right here, I don't know the light right there, you can see a little bit of Velcro right there. You can get it at Walmart here, guys. As you see, this is what I use right here. You can get it at Walmart and you can just put it on here. The thing I liked about it actually is that it has this little like sticky part on the back. As you see that, you just remove that, cut it, remove it, and you can put on here. I have the sticky part right here. The soft part right there is I'm gonna put on the back of the coins, and it's gonna be just like that. Insert, outsert on all the coins, guys. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do our first layer of paint. Our base coat is gonna be a Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint primer right here, guys. Gonna do maybe like 2 coats on the coins, and then put some coats right here. Make sure you get these knobs right here, and then these parts right here, guys. For the black, for the details, let's get it. Okay, guys, for the gold coins, guys, I'm gonna use this Rust-Oleum bright coat metallic finish right here, guys. I'm gonna do over, guys. I'm gonna do one light coat, 2 light coat, then like a medium coat. Make sure just like around it carefully. Make sure you get like all sides of it, guys. And if you want to do the back as well, you can also do the back, guys. Let's get it. Okay, guys, now let's move on to Morpher painting. As you see, I got one side masked off, one side not. I did the whole thing in black, just like I said. And then I'm gonna put some more masking here, and then I'm just gonna cut this out, as you see, just like that, guys, around the whole entire for it. And then afterwards, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna paint this middle part red. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. Let's get it. Okay, guys, as you see, I masked it off right here. I masked these 2 black parts off as well because those need to be black. Same with these. Take a picture right here. Make sure you have the Velcro in. And then now I'm gonna make the Master Morpher or the Gold Morpher from the Power Rangers, as you see on screen. And I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum gold right here, guys, to do the base coat. Then I'm just going to mask it off and stuff so we can put the red right here in the middle. Let's get it. Okay, guys, as you see right here, got the Superman Morpher, and we're going to actually paint it right now. I'm going to switch around. I got that for just covering the back, the tape right here, masking off. I already did the gold, as you see from here. Now, what I'm going to make the red part right here is this duplicate metal caster red right here. And that's just going to be right there. This one you will need to do in coats so it doesn't run and doesn't mess up. And it can look the best. Just do a couple light coats and just keep building it and building it and building it, guys. Let's get it. Yo, guys, look this right here. The Morpher came out good. I want this in the back, guys, and then you can just put this in through your belt, guys. But this looks sick. Oh, that looks cool. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. As you see, the Morpher is done, guys, with the green Tyrannosaurus coin, the green T-Rex coin, the red Tyrannosaurus coin, and then the white tiger coin, as you see right here, guys. It was really awesome, really cool. This back buckle part, as you see, I just welded this part together. This buckle part that actually goes to the belt, make sure it is sanded enough and smooth enough so it can go in and out if you're gonna do that, guys. If not, cool. If you're just gonna make the Morpher, cool, awesome, guys. Don't worry about that. That's hopefully gonna come in next week's video if I can get it done in time, guys. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share to a friend that might want to make a Morpher, Power Ranger Morpher, guys. And also let me know other Power Ranger content, Marvel, DC, Star Wars, any of that, guys, down below. I'm Nico. Once again, thank you for coming to my channel. Let's get it.